This is the National Stadium in Karachi as Bank Al Falah presents Dafa News, Pakistan versus England, T20 I Series 2022. And just to affirm this key statistic today, Pakistan playing their 200th T20 international, leading India by some 19 games. West Indies, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, all experts and keen practitioners of the format. So a historic night, and of course all Pakistan will be hoping that that historic night is marked by a Pakistan victory. Up went the coin a little while ago, 20 minutes ago. It was Moeen Ali winning the toss, as it were, and deciding that England would field first. So it's going to be Babar Azam and Pakistan's batsmen who will have first use of the pitch. There have been changes in both teams. Just highlight those. There's a slight change to the batting order for Pakistan. Shah Masood comes in at number 3, which I think is a very good thing. Hyder Ali misses out tonight. Also coming in then Asif Ali in the middle order at number 6. Wasim Jr. comes in instead of Dahani in the bowling attack. Otherwise, it's the same as used in the last game. England, on the other hand, are switching pretty much every match, playing around with their resources. Alex Hales missed out last time round. He's back at the top of the order. Will Jacks comes in at number 3 as David Malan misses out. David Willey is back in. Sam Curran rested tonight and making his first appearance in T20Is. Ollie Stone, who takes over from Mark Wood. So a paceman comes in for a paceman. Sweep shot comes out, ball number 2. First boundary comes out, ball number 2. Beautifully struck. A little bit offline from Dawson, and that's what happens. Nice shot. That's just a lovely shot. Backed offside field. Sometimes you hit them sweetly, find the fielder. Sometimes, like this, you hit them sweetly and find the gap. Well, it looks like they've got the boundary, but only 4. Nonetheless, that's enough to take the score up to 31 without loss in the first 4 overs. Oh, nicely placed. Sweetly timed as well. These pitches give you so little margin for error.
That's nice away for 4. Beautiful touch. Played it very, very late. Used the pace. Third man up in the circle.
Nudged out into the onside. They'll scamper back for a couple. It's been yet another excellent first half of 20 overs for Pakistan. Rizwan has 50 once more from just 38 deliveries.
That's up in the air. That's gone a bit further. And it's just gone far enough. That's gone straight to deep mid-wicket. That changes things around very nicely for England. They've been looking for that wicket for quite some time.
Babar walks back for 36.
Helped on its way beautifully into the gap. Ollie Stone back in. And Ollie Stone's first game proving to be a slightly testing one for him. Not out the middle of the bat, it's high in the air. Oh, it's gone down. Well, Adil Rashid was entitled to feel that he was going to get a wicket from that ball because it didn't come out of the middle of the bat. Alex Hales dropped one the other night. He got to this one. Still ends up on the turf. He's there easily. Even with the juggle, it's still on the ground.
And it's drilled down the ground. Shimmy down the track and smoke for a boundary.
That'll find the boundary. It's ball down the leg side, and yes, The field was set back that side, but it was short and it was a slowie, and Shah Massoud had time to find the gap. Got him, yes. Absolutely stone dead.
Yeah, going leg side is too full. It's almost a yorker and he's going leg side, hit across it. It's been a laboured innings from Shah Massoud.
Rizwan is still there. Kushtil on strike. Slower ball. It's gone straight up in the air. Moeen Ali positions himself underneath it and pouches it comfortably.
Well, I don't think you can blame the youngster Kushtil.
He chips it straight to Alex Hales, and Hales has one. He's dropped two, caught one, big smile on his face, big smile from Moeen Ali as well. They know the situation. That is the end of Rizwan. It's been almost a lone vigil from him, 88 from 67. Shouting his name as he runs in. He's on a hat-trick. The man is underneath it, but he's not far back enough. Wicket 6. Isn't that just T20 cricket? Oh, it's a monster. Asif Ali, where have you been? The innings finishes with a flourish. The crowd are finally sated. They've seen the ball fly out of the park. They might have wanted to see it a bit more often, but Pakistan have a 166 on the board.
This might be a little bit too short, but Pakistan got to do really well with the ball in hand to win this competition. Rizwan got 88 of 67. It was a hard work. Babar couldn't really get going, did score 36 though. Shah Massoud, who played superbly in the previous game, couldn't really hit those boundaries which Pakistan were looking for. Mohammad Asif showed some glimpse that he can hit sixes, couple of sixes for him, 166 for 4. Pakistan losing 4 wickets.
First ball beautifully hammered away. Little shimmy from Phil Salt got him into the perfect position. Well, it's in the air this time towards the deep mid wicket, and that's a very, very different result. Well, Mohammad Nawaz would have been disappointed with the previous delivery, and whether it's Phil Salt not quite getting hold of it or Mohammad Nawaz being rather canny, you can decide, but the wicket has fallen. Pulled away rather nicely, and that'll roll away beautifully for 4.
It's a slow pitch, and that length is going to really sit up for the batsman.
Oh, look at that for a catch. An absolute full stretch, not connected properly by Alex Hales, who is looking to repeat the shot from ball number 1.
Well, this will make a big difference now. Pakistan have picked up 2 wickets. Yes, they're going for boundaries.
What a way to start for Pakistan in their 200th ever T20I, a record-breaking amount for every country in the world, for any country in the world. And if you're defending a low target, the best way to start is by taking wickets. That's away for 4. So if you bowl it straight, you can cause problems. If you give any sort of width on pitches like this, then someone like Ben Duckett will most likely take advantage. Yeah, this is where I say the confidence that Duckett has. He's still going to go for his shot.
In the air! Mohammad Nawaz has dropped a dolly. And that's quite straight. That's quite straight. And he's given him. I'm not surprised that he's been given. The umpire's decision was an excellent one, and that is a big breakthrough for Pakistan. Duckett goes for 33, it's 57 for 4. Brook goes over extra cover. That is utterly splendiferous. Oh! That has been nailed. Moeen Ali joins the party. Doesn't matter how many wickets England lose, they just keep coming at you.
Whoa, that's 4. Got enough on it, got it just wide enough for the fielder. Bowling! Bowling! Mohammad Nawaz is the man who strikes here. That is getting rid of Moeen Ali. And we've seen how far he can hit it. Oh, there are those quick hands. Seen those a few times in this series already from Harry Brook. Oh, he's got it straight down his throat at long leg. Well, he might have tried it again. You might say that's lucky because Harry Brook hits those normally so very, very well indeed. But long leg didn't have to move.
Still third man in the circle. Coming around the wicket, Harris. Again, same shot, same result.
Yeah, he's got 2 T20 hundreds, in fact, Willie.
There's nobody back at square leg. Oh, that is a beauty. He spiked him. That is right out of the Wacker and Wazim playbook. You cannot play that. David Willey, on your way. Oh, shot. Oh, shot. That's gone all the way. Liam Dawson has pulled one out of the bag.
You've joined the party now. And just a ball before, Waqar was telling me just how fair that this guy can bat. Down leg side, square leg put up in the circle. This will race away to the boundary. What an over for England. 23 from this over so far.
Oh, it's in the air. He's got him. He's got him. Is there another twist? Come back. Go back to your seats. It's not over yet. Knocked him over. Oh, this is Pakistan cricket at its very best. 2 wickets needed. It might only take 2 balls. Harris, Ralph with a rocket. Oh, should be run out, must be run out, gone! Pakistan! Pakistan have levelled the series 2-2, and pandemonium has broken out here at the National Stadium. That was as tense, that was as balmy a finish as you're going to get in a T20 game. Oh my goodness, Liam Dawson, the agony, what an innings he had played. He tried to place it instead of belting it. He allowed Harris Ralph a sniff.
So we are 2-all now in this series. 166 was the target given by Pakistan, and England couldn't really get what they were looking for. They lost the game by 3 runs, full marks to Babar and his men.